Let's ride.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
You should take the ride cause I'm a big nigga. You should come subscribe to Mama T Speaks. You should swing by cause she do everything. She make them cake, she make them pies, she cook everything. Mama T, Mama T Speaks. 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 You should take the ride cause I'm a big me. You should come subscribe to Mama T Speaks. You should swing by cause she do everything.
Hey MTS crew, what is going on, y'all? I hope it's all good in the neighborhood and you are blessed today. Y'all, we're getting ready to do a simple pound cake. You can call it a buttermilk pound cake if you want, because I add buttermilk in just about all of my pound cakes because it adds the richness to my pound cakes, to my sweet potato pies. Buttermilk is the key, y'all. So I'm making a pound cake for my daughter, and I'm going to throw just a little bit of orange zest. I didn't have lemon zest, so I'm going to throw just a little bit of orange zest in this pound cake, and we're going to use some Jello vanilla instant pudding in here. So I've already pre-sifted my flour and I got that ready. I'll put the recipe to this cake down below. So y'all enjoy. I'm going to go ahead and get this cake started. Okay, MTS crew, for this simple pound cake, what we're going to do, we're going to add 3 sticks of room temperature butter. So that's about 3 sticks, y'all, of room temperature butter. Okay. 3 cups of sugar. Okay. So we're going to get this cream together, y'all. Okay, y'all, now we're going to add, we have 5 eggs, and we're going to add 1 egg at a time. Okay, y'all, we're going to go ahead and start adding our dry ingredients, and then we're going to add more wet ingredients, okay? Okay, y'all, let me go ahead and add a half cup of room temperature. Let's go ahead and add that. Okay, y'all. So for my other wet ingredients, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla flavor. That's 1 tablespoon. Okay, so we're going to alternate our ingredients. For the wet ingredients, I've gone ahead and I have previously put the salt and baking powder in. So let's go ahead and start alternating this. Okay. Okay, y'all, let's go ahead, and I have about a tablespoon of orange zest. I love putting orange zest or lemon zest in my cakes, even if it's a plain cake. I just love doing that. And let's get it stirred in here. If you want to throw your little orange flavoring or omit some of the buttermilk and add a little orange juice, that's fine. Okay. Okay, y'all. Usually, y'all, I would flour my pan, but I decided to use the spray. So I'm going to use the spray, and I'm going to go ahead and get this cake mix in here. Okay, y'all, let's go ahead and shake, shake, shake. Get any air bubbles out. Get it as smooth as we can get it. And, oh yeah, I forgot to tell you. When I use this Jello instant pudding, it can be banana, it can be lemon, whichever one I use, I sift it with my flour. And I add it in my flour. Okay? She just wanted a plain old pound cake, and so I made this before for her. So we're going to put this in the oven for about an hour and 15 minutes, preheated 325 degrees. I'll see you when the cake is out. Okay, y'all, we are ready to make our icing. I like to go ahead and make it. It's not an icing, it's a drizzle. I like to go ahead and make it and let it sit for a while because I like it to get a little bit thick, and I don't like to put it on a warm cake. So let's go ahead, y'all. Okay, let's put about a half a teaspoon of vanilla. I guess y'all say she putting all these different flavors in this cake. How's it gonna taste? Good. Okay. A tinge of buttermilk and a tinge of lemon juice. Let's go ahead and get this stirred. We're going to get all of the lumps out of this, as many as we can. Now, I put my own flavors together for my cakes, and they turn out excellent. You have to experiment, y'all. If you have vision or a dream or something, go ahead and try it. In her backer, it says, write the vision and make it plain. Okay? So there it is, y'all. And it's going to get a little bit thicker as it sits. So we're going to let this sit, and we're going to wait on our cake to cool. Be right back. Okay, y'all, our cake is out of the oven. Still a little warm. I went ahead and put some more orange zest on this cake. We're going to cut it in just a few.